today's video, we're going to make your fall vlogs more exciting. We'll show you how to use the lower thirds and the transitions. These cool things will make your videos more fun to watch. If you're into this, just keep watching. Before getting started, you need to prepare some material. There are MOV videos and sound effects. You can find the links for them in the comments. Open VideoProc Vlogger. First, create a solid color image. Click on Text in the toolbar to create a text track. Replace the text with a space. Next, click here to adjust the background color to white. And then take a snapshot of the current frame. Import this image back into VideoProc Vlogger and delete the text clip. Import a video clip into the media library. Then drag it to the video track. After that, place a solid color image on the overlay track. Click here to enter the motion editor. Add a keyframe on the first frame, making the selection box fit to the screen. Then drag the selection box to the right until it's completely out of the frame. The preview on the right should now be all black. Now drag the playhead to around 1 second. And add a second keyframe. Click this button to open frame control and reset the X value to 960. This will move the selection box back to its original position, changing the speed to smooth speed down number 1. And click Apply to return to the main interface. Adjust the size and the position of the white box in the preview window. Go to the inspector panel in the right side and find Transform. We can adjust the rotation to give the box a slight angle, like 345 degrees. Next, find the titles in the top left, pick a style, and drag it to the subtitle track. Click Edit Text. Drag the playhead to where the text appears. Write your text and pick a font. Give it a slight angle, for instance 50 degrees. Make the text black. Then choose an animation like Flip In. Click Apply. Adjust the vertical and horizontal position as well as the text size to position it just above the white box. Now, let's make the lower part of the lower third. Import a picture you've downloaded. Make a new overlay track and put the picture here. Fit it to the screen. And click here to enter the crop editor. Crop the background image you need. Click Apply. Then enter the motion editor. Like before, add an intro motion. But this time, let's move it towards the left until it's outside of the frame. Add a second keyframe at 1 second and restore the selection box to its original position. Changing the speed to smooth speed down number 1 and click Apply. Adjust its size and position so that it matches with the top white box. Again, add text. Create another overlay track. Add a wind blowing effect. And your lower third is done. Making transitions is easy. Drag the material to the overlay track. Fit it to the screen. Then find the transition in the top left, pick a wipe right, and add it between the two video clips. Add some sound effects. And then that's it. Well, this is all for today's video. If you want to know more editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!